Welcome to the monthly release highlights for Okta's Customer Identity Cloud. We'll go over this month's new available features. Generally available features. Introducing FGA per module authorization. This enables large organizations to securely share authorization models by specifying which application credentials can update data for specific modules. Teams that are responsible for their own separate services can now limit access to modifying authorization data on a per-module basis. You can also implement workflows where different teams maintain their portion of an FGA model independently and ensure that the services and applications owned by the relevant team can only modify their own authorization data. Next, we have extensibility as a custom provider for email notifications. Configure custom email providers and customize emails so you have full control of the email delivery process. This feature utilizes the Actions framework and leverages the Actions code editor so you can more completely manage, monitor, and troubleshoot your email communications. Auth0's CI/CD tooling, Auth0 CLI, Deploy CLI, and Terraform Provider now fully supports custom email providers. To access these new capabilities, upgrade to the latest versions of Auth0 CLI, Deploy CLI, and the Terraform Provider. Flutter SDK version 2 supports multiple enhancements that will improve the overall developer experience, including support for Android Compile SDK version 34 for compatibility and performance, support for additional parameters on credentials manager methods, support for passwordless login, and WASM support plus WASM compilation. Node.js 22 is now generally available as a runtime for your extensibility integrations, like actions, rules, hooks, and custom database connections. This latest addition to our extensibility ecosystem runtime brings significant benefits for developers building custom logic with actions, including enhanced security, longevity, performance improvements, and expanded ecosystem support. You can update these settings from your Auth0 tenant and configure to individually manage desired runtime configuration as required. Auth0 Flows 2.0 enables you to explore all the authentication strategies Auth0 provides from the end-user perspective in one place. Customize them, understand the logic, and share them with your colleagues. Flows 2.0 includes an updated user interface and new flows for recently released features. Let's wrap up with a look at early access features. The client-initiated backchannel authentication flow is now available in early access. This flow works as a decoupled authentication flow across two different devices, a consumption device and an authentication device. It enables several powerful use cases driven by back-end client applications, including customer authentication by headless devices or devices with limited interaction capabilities, customer authentication in call center scenarios, and authorizing sensitive operations on behalf of yourself or a third party, like a customer service agent. New rate limit reporting. This introduces a new rate limit warning log that communicates when you have consumed 80% of your request limit, as well as an enhanced log schema. This update also increases the frequency of rate limit logs from 1x per hour to 1x per minute. Thanks for viewing the Customer Identity Cloud monthly release highlights. Information and documentation on the latest updates can be found at auth0.com/changelog.